Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Jeff Outdoors. We are going to be fishing the start of our local river. I was back at this spot a few years ago, and I was pulling out largemouth like left and right with some night crawler. The only thing sucks is it's raining. So let me fill you in on what I'm using. I got a Shakespeare 5-foot 2-piece. Oh, I think we're hooked on and we're snagged. Oh, we were snagged, I got it. Alright, so Shakespeare 5-foot ultralight 2-piece. I got the KastKing Summer 500 series with KastKing Chrome Blue 4-pound test. And we're just gonna be fishing for some largemouth and whatever will bite this Rattlin' Ned. I have the Rattlin' Ned penny color. And just gonna see what we can get. I've caught largemouth here before on night crawler. I've never tried it with a Rattlin' Ned or any type of other lure. Figured we'd come in and break this in, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there was either that was a snag or that was another hit. So far, I like this setup. And we are snagged. Yes, we are. And I just broke my rod. That is awesome. I literally just broke my rod. What the fuck? How the fuck does that shit work? Like, literally. This rod's brand new. And it snapped right above the breakdown. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Yo, that shit right there just pissed me off, son. Like, literally. I'm about to try to go up here and get this piece that broke. But I gotta be careful because there's limestone all over here. And it's inside the water, and you guys know how limestone is when it's wet. Literally just broke. Swear to God, I'll show you guys. See, look. I'm trying to bring it back to me. Alright, I think I got it unsnagged. Or my line just broke. And my line broke. But literally, look. Line broke. Pole just snapped in half. What the hell? Wow. Oh, wow. You know, it's a good thing Amazon sent me 2 of them instead of 1. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What the hell, Shakespeare? You guys list on Amazon that it's durable and steady. Well, I just got a snag and it broke right the fuck off. Alright, well, I guess that ends this video. go ahead and like and subscribe. I don't know why you guys are, I don't know why you guys would like this video. I mean, fucking pole just snapped in half, but. Oh, oh, that was a deeper hole than I thought it was, folks. Woo-wee. All right, well, like, subscribe, and see you back here on the next video.